Have you ever wondered how to maintain vitality and enhance intimacy as you age? Or perhaps you've noticed subtle changes in your body and are curious if there's a natural, non-invasive way to support your sexual health? In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating and transformative practice, penis massages. This isn't just about physical pleasure. It's about reconnecting with your body, boosting blood flow, reducing tension, and even enhancing emotional well-being. Stay with us because by the end of this video, you'll not only learn what penis massages are, but also how they can revitalize your sexual health, improve your confidence, and promote deeper emotional resilience. We'll also explore the rich cultural roots of this practice, how it aligns with traditional wellness techniques, and why it can be a powerful tool for embracing this stage of life with confidence and vitality. Trust me, this is one video you don't want to miss. Would you like me to tailor this further, or expand any specific section? If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoy the content, please comment 1 below. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave a 0. Your feedback is crucial as it helps me create better videos that align with your interests. Now, let's get started. What are penis massages? Penis massages are a deeply intentional and therapeutic practice that combines precise physical stimulation with carefully applied pressure to various parts of the male organ. Far from being a practice rooted solely in pleasure, penis massages are designed to promote physical, emotional, and even spiritual well-being. Much like other forms of therapeutic bodywork, they are aimed at alleviating tension, improving circulation, and fostering a greater sense of balance and vitality within the body. At their essence, penis massages offer a pathway to renewed health and self-awareness. One of the key benefits is the improvement of blood flow to the penile tissues, which plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal sexual function. By relaxing the often overlooked muscles in the pelvic region and gently stimulating the tissues, these massages may help to revitalize and strengthen the male reproductive system. This, in turn, can address common sexual health concerns such as erectile dysfunction, decreased libido, or premature ejaculation, issues that many men face as they age. These physical benefits often extend beyond the immediate area, fostering a greater sense of relaxation and well-being throughout the entire body. However, it's important to clarify that penis massages, when approached from a therapeutic perspective, are not simply acts of erotic stimulation. They are far more profound, aligning with medical and sexological practices aimed at supporting men who are experiencing physical or psychological barriers to healthy sexual function. For many men, the challenges associated with aging, such as hormonal changes, reduced confidence, and feelings of inadequacy, can deeply impact their quality of life. Penis massages offer a holistic, non-invasive way to help restore not just physical capabilities, but also emotional resilience and self-esteem. Beyond the physical and psychological benefits, the practice of penis massage carries a rich cultural and historical significance. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, for example, the male organ is seen as a vital channel of energy, or qi, that plays a pivotal role in maintaining the balance of the body's internal systems. Practitioners of TCM believe that targeted massage in this area can help release blockages, harmonize energy flows, and promote an overall sense of vitality. From this perspective, penis massages are much more than a physical practice. They represent a connection to the body's deeper energetic and spiritual currents, helping individuals feel more aligned and connected with their own life force. Incorporating penis massages into a self-care or therapeutic routine can be transformative for men, especially those navigating the complexities of aging and the emotional challenges that often accompany it. For some, this practice may serve as a gentle reminder of their inherent worth and vitality, helping to reignite feelings of confidence and masculinity that may have diminished over time. For others, it can be an intimate, meditative experience that fosters a deeper connection with their body and a greater appreciation for its unique rhythms and needs. Moreover, penis massages provide an avenue for emotional release and healing. The pelvis and reproductive area are known to store emotional tension and stress, much like the shoulders or back. By working through these areas with care and intention, individuals can release pent-up emotions and experience a profound sense of liberation and relief. This is particularly important for those who may have internalized shame, anxiety, or negative feelings about their sexuality or masculinity over the years. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. In a world where discussions about male sexual health are often stigmatized or dismissed, penis massages offer a compassionate and empowering way to address these concerns openly. They bridge the gap between physical healing and emotional growth, providing men with a non-judgmental space to explore their own needs and rediscover a sense of wholeness. Whether practiced as part of a professional therapeutic treatment or integrated into personal self-care, penis massages can serve as a powerful tool for rejuvenation, connection, and self-love. By embracing this practice, men can take an active role in prioritizing their well-being and redefining their relationship with their own bodies. Penis massages are not merely about addressing physical symptoms. They are about fostering a sense of empowerment, vitality, and balance that resonates through every aspect of life. For those who may feel disconnected from their sense of masculinity or vitality, this practice can serve as a gentle yet impactful way to reignite the spark of self-confidence, health, and emotional well-being. What are the benefits of penis massages? Penis massages offer a wide array of benefits that extend beyond the surface, addressing both physical and psychological aspects of male health and well-being. This practice, when performed with care and intention, can profoundly impact a man's overall quality of life. Physical benefits. From a medical perspective, the primary benefit of penis massages lies in their ability to enhance blood flow. Over time, many men experience arterial stiffness and diminished vascular health, which can lead to reduced blood circulation in the penile region. This decline in blood flow is a key factor in the onset of erectile dysfunction and the decreased quality of erections. By stimulating the area through massage, vasodilation is encouraged. This is the process by which blood vessels widen, allowing for improved blood flow. Furthermore, the gentle manipulation of tissues helps relax the smooth muscles in the penis, making it easier to achieve and sustain firm erections. Massaging the pelvic region and the penis can also promote the health of surrounding tissues by encouraging oxygenation and nutrient delivery. This is particularly important as men age, as tissue health naturally declines without proper blood flow. Additionally, regular massages may help maintain penile flexibility and sensitivity, supporting a more responsive and satisfying sexual experience. Psychological benefits. Beyond its physical advantages, penis massages play a crucial role in alleviating psychological stress and tension. For many men, especially those over the age of 50, sexual performance can become a source of significant anxiety and insecurity. Fear of underperformance or concerns about diminished virility often create a self-perpetuating cycle. Anxiety hinders sexual function, and poor performance fuels greater anxiety. Penis massages can serve as a powerful intervention to break this cycle. By focusing on relaxation, presence, and well-being rather than performance, these massages help men reconnect with their bodies in a positive, pressure-free way. The act of receiving or engaging in a massage can cultivate mindfulness, allowing men to experience their bodies without judgment or fear. This emotional connection fosters greater self-confidence, a healthier mindset toward sexuality, and reduced performance-related anxiety. Bridging the physical and emotional. One of the most remarkable aspects of penis massages is how they bridge the gap between physical and emotional health. Many men carry tension in the pelvic region without realizing it, and this tension can manifest in both physical dysfunction and emotional stress. Massage techniques designed to relax these muscles can have a ripple effect, releasing pent-up energy, alleviating stress, and even enhancing overall mood. For those who may feel disconnected from their sexuality due to aging, illness, or emotional struggles, penis massages offer a way to rekindle that connection. They encourage a holistic view of sexual health, one that embraces vulnerability, self-care, and acceptance. A holistic approach to well-being. In a broader sense, Penis massages are not just about addressing isolated issues like erectile dysfunction or performance anxiety. They represent a holistic approach to male well-being, emphasizing the importance of balance and harmony between the mind and body. By improving blood flow, reducing muscle tension, and fostering emotional healing, these massages can help men regain a sense of vitality and confidence that extends far beyond the bedroom. For men navigating the complexities of aging, penis massages can be a transformative tool, not just for improving sexual function, but for enhancing self-esteem and fostering a renewed sense of connection with their bodies. What types of penis massages are recommended for enhancing sexual performance? The human body is an extraordinary creation, designed not only for movement and function, but also for connection and pleasure. As we age, maintaining sexual health becomes an integral part of overall well-being, influencing our confidence, relationships, and emotional vitality. For many individuals, exploring holistic methods to support and enhance sexual performance can open the door to a more fulfilling, vibrant intimacy. Among these methods, penis massages have emerged as a highly effective, non-invasive approach, rooted in urological physiotherapy, sexological practices, and ancient traditions of self-care. These techniques go beyond their physical benefits. They can spark emotional renewal, foster self-acceptance, and deepen the bonds we share with our partners. Below, we delve into some of the most recommended penis massage techniques, explaining their applications and emphasizing the significance of practicing them with mindfulness, respect, and care for the body. 1. Rhythmic massage, reawakening vitality through movement. At its core, rhythmic massage is a simple yet profoundly impactful technique that involves applying steady, controlled pressure along the shaft of the penis, using slow, rhythmic movements from the base to the tip. This method stimulates blood flow, strengthens the muscles responsible for maintaining erections, and promotes relaxation in the pelvic region. The beauty of rhythmic massage lies not only in its physical benefits, but also in the meditative quality it brings. As the rhythm of the massage aligns with the natural cadence of one's breathing, it encourages a deep sense of presence and awareness. Performing this technique in a tranquil, distraction-free environment enhances its effects, creating a sacred space for self-connection. For many individuals, rhythmic massage can become a ritual of self-discovery, a moment to honor their body and nurture their sexuality in a way that feels empowering and deeply personal. 2. Manual ring technique, rekindling sensitivity and circulation. The manual ring technique is another highly recommended method for improving sexual performance. It involves forming a ring with the thumb and index finger, then gently sliding this ring from the base of the penis to the tip while applying light but consistent pressure. This motion serves multiple purposes. It enhances blood circulation, increases oxygen delivery to the tissues, and stimulates the nerve endings, thereby heightening sensitivity. For individuals who have noticed a decrease in sensation or responsiveness during intimacy, this technique offers a path to rediscovering the joy and intensity of touch. On an emotional level, the manual ring technique encourages individuals to confront and embrace any changes in their bodies with compassion. It's an invitation to explore pleasure without judgment, reclaiming a sense of ownership over one's sexuality. 3. Perineal massage, unlocking hidden pathways of pleasure. Though not directly focused on the penis, the perineal area, the space between the genitals and the anus, holds immense potential for enhancing sexual performance. Rich in nerve endings and blood vessels, this region plays a crucial role in erectile function and overall sexual health. Perineal massage involves applying gentle pressure or circular movements to this area, which helps to relax the pelvic floor muscles, improve circulation, and reduce tension or discomfort. Beyond the physical benefits, this technique offers a unique opportunity to explore pleasure in parts of the body that are often overlooked. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. For those experiencing pelvic tension, perineal massage can be a deeply soothing practice, promoting relaxation and creating a sense of balance. It can also enhance intimacy with a partner, serving as an act of trust and exploration that deepens emotional and physical connections. 4. Massage with essential oils. enhancing the sensory experience. Incorporating essential oils into a massage routine can elevate the experience to new heights of relaxation and pleasure. Oils such as ginger, rosemary, and sandalwood are known for their vasodilating properties, which enhance blood flow, increase warmth, and heighten sensitivity. The soothing aroma of these oils can also create an atmosphere of calm, further enhancing the emotional aspects of the massage. To use essential oils, dilute a few drops in a carrier oil such as almond or coconut oil, and apply it gently during the massage. It's essential to test a small amount on the skin beforehand to ensure there are no allergic reactions. The combination of the physical sensations and the rich, earthy scents can transform the massage into a luxurious act of self-care, providing a sense of renewal that extends far beyond the body. 5. The emotional dimensions of penis massage. While the physical benefits of penis massages are widely recognized, their emotional impact is equally profound. For many individuals, these practices offer a way to reconnect with themselves on a deeper level, fostering self-compassion and acceptance. In a world that often imposes unrealistic standards on sexual performance, penis massages provide a counter-narrative, one that celebrates individuality, sensitivity, and the evolving journey of sexuality. For couples, sharing these techniques can create moments of intimacy that go beyond physical pleasure. They become opportunities to communicate, nurture trust, and strengthen emotional bonds. In this context, penis massages are not just about improving performance, they're about creating a shared language of love and connection. 6. Sexuality and maturity, a journey of exploration and growth. As we age, it's natural for our bodies to change, and these changes often extend to our sexual health. However, maturity does not mean the end of sexual vitality. Instead, it marks the beginning of a new chapter, one where intimacy can be experienced with greater awareness, depth, and emotional resonance. Studies in urology and sexology suggest that between 40% and 50% of men over 50 experience some form of sexual dysfunction, such as erectile difficulties. While these challenges are common, they are not insurmountable. Techniques like penis massages offer a gentle, non-invasive way to address these issues, supporting both physical function and emotional well-being. Rather than viewing aging as a limitation, it can be seen as an opportunity to explore new forms of pleasure, connection, and self-expression. Penis massages represent a powerful tool in this journey, helping individuals maintain their sexual vitality while embracing the natural changes of life. A celebration of sexuality and self-care. Sexuality is a vital dimension of human experience, one that evolves and deepens as we grow. Through practices like penis massages, individuals can celebrate their bodies, nurture their intimate health, and rediscover the joy of connection, both with themselves and with others. These techniques are more than just physical exercises. They are acts of love and reverence for the body, mind, and spirit. They remind us that intimacy is not defined by age, but by the depth of presence, passion, and care we bring to each moment. By embracing these practices, we honor the timeless beauty of human sexuality, celebrating its power to heal, connect, and transform. So, what have you learned today about the fascinating practice of penis massages? Which of the insights or techniques we've discussed stood out to you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share one thing you've learned and plan to bring into practice in your life in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Sabia Vages and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and insights to live your best life over 60. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like to tweak the tone or add any additional details.